Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel Justry. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned my apartment sized bathroom into a farmhouse style bathroom with just a few little cute touches from the thrift store and from Amazon and all that good stuff. If you want to see how I got the look, then just continue to watch my video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, just keep watching. Right here I'm just starting off by cleaning my bathroom. Make sure that your bathroom is clean before you go in and start decorating, because you don't want to decorate a messy bathroom. I cannot stand these fixtures in apartment bathrooms, so this was the first thing that I had to get rid of. So right here you can just see me unscrewing everything. Also, if you're renting, most likely you are if you're in an apartment, you want to make sure that you save all of the hardware. So just place it underneath the cabinet or, in a bag somewhere that you won't misplace any of this, because they will want everything back once it's time to, leave your apartment. So yeah, this is basically what I'm doing right here. Right here you can just see me drilling the little fixture that I'm going to hang my towels on into the wall. So I was kind of struggling with that, but yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, making sure that everything is aligned up correctly. And yeah, if you want to place this, place a new fixture on there, then you can do this. If not, then you can skip this whole little step. Alright, so I got these wall shelves from Amazon.com. I will leave the links to everything that I'm using down below in the description box. So if you want to know where I got everything from, check the description box, please. So yeah, I am basically going to be hanging 2 above the toilet because it comes with a 3-piece set, and another piece near my doorway for my my other little things I'm going to put in the bathroom, as you guys will see in the video. But yeah, I'm just placing the shelves where I want them to be, and this is how they look once I hang them all up. I got this curtain from Amazon as well. Like I said, check the description box. But I'm going to be hanging this curtain up so that we can just start decorating now, because I'm done with all of the drilling pretty much. So yeah, this is all I'm doing right here. This is the fun part. I get to just, add little home decor onto my wall. I absolutely love fake plants, faux plants, whatever you want to call them. I love it. I got the plants from Marshall's, and I got these cute little bathroom signs from Hobby Lobby. Check out Hobby Lobby, guys. Check out Hobby Lobby. Okay, because they always have a deal going on. I believe that my stuff was like 50% off of every piece that I get. And for all of these, I believe I only paid like $15 for all these cute little signs that I'm putting in my bathroom. So I have a floss, a wash, scrub a dub dub, take a seat sign that I absolutely love. So yeah, check the description box for everything. And right here, I'm just hanging my towels onto my towel fixture. And then, yeah, I'm just placing cute little stuff in the bathroom. One thing I do want to talk about is this little antique piece. I got this from my thrift store for only $2. Can you believe that? How cute is this? When I saw this, I was like, yes, this, I have to get it. So I'm just going to sit this on my toilet next to my little fake plant, and it just adds a little cute little touch to it, if you want to say. And I got this basket from Ross for only $3, this wire basket from Ross for only $3, and I'm just going to basically put some towels in it. You can also put rolls of tissue in it. I took some of the stuff in that I got, some of the paper that I got from the stores when I was like purchasing my glasses and stuff, and I just stuck that in and set the towels on top. Because I didn't have that many towels to roll in that big old wire basket. So yeah, this just, you know, makes it look like you have a lot of towels. And then right here, God, all this talking. Right here, I'm just adding this picture that I got from Marshall's as well. I love, you know, positive things throughout my house. I love to look at that stuff. So I love this quote, and I thought it would be really cute in my bathroom. These jars from Michael's, and I just stuck some Q-tips and some little puff balls in them. And I also got this faux plant. Like I said, I love fake plants, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I just stuck them in these cute little clear bottles that I got from Michael's as well. They were only $1 and the plant was only $5. And I'm just ripping it off and sticking it into the bottles just to add, you know, some more little cute little touches in the bathroom. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I'm doing right here. Y'all let me know down in the comments if you guys like this. I also thought that I will organize my drawers. I got these little plastic containers from Dollar Tree. So they were only $1, and it just adds a little bit more organization in your bathroom. So if you like to organize things and you're an organized freak, this is the best fit for you. I highly recommend that you hit up Dollar Tree. And this is how the bathroom turned out. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys love my bathroom. If I should take up interior design, you know, let me know. But I love you all, and I'll talk to you in the next video.